number is this?
0808.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something interesting then.
What?
I rode this when I was in elementary school.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
I didn't realize that.
From riding it, now you're driving it.
I know, right? Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Hey, this bus is pretty good.
It is. That's not too bad. Not too bad.
Yeah, it just needs cosmetic TLC.
I don't know, any snub nose bus is bad.
Yeah. They're raggedy. Madison City, they put AC in all their buses.
I know, they're
Like-
going to put some in ours over spring break, aren't they?
Yep, 10 of them. So what's crazy is Madison City, all of their old buses got AC. Every single one of them. Even their Bluebirds had AC. They're selling them. Yeah.
Yeah, so far this one drives good.
Oh yeah.
Speed bump.
Yeah. A 0809 sounds pretty good. It's the sister bus to this one.
Oh Lord, there's a trailer right in the road.
Shouldn't be too hard on a flat nose. Well, I might take that back. Actually, we're good.
But these have a longer tail swing.
Yeah. Madison City, their buses are actually more longer than Hartzell's, believe it or not. Like Hartzell's flat noses, they're more shorter than Madison's.
Hold on.
See that semi truck?
Yeah.
That's an international, I think it's called a Lone Star. They are really, really cool. I think they're rare to see.
Oh no, what are we stopping for? You know what that thing is right there on the front, on the back of that truck?
Is it a pressure washer?
No, it's a pool vacuum.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a pool vacuum.
That's cool. maintaining them would discourage me.
They're not hard if you...
Yeah, if you know what you're doing, I'm pretty sure it wouldn't be too bad.
They're not too bad.